This quick tutorial will show you how to change and customize your email signature text font. To change the text font in an email signature, you must select the text. Then, an option box will seem. Choose an option to apply: bold, font family, font size, or text color. In our example, the font with the employee's name is changed to bold and size 18. All text is selected in the second signature example, and the font type is changed to Georgia. The next step is to change the disclaimer box font size to size 13. Finally, the color is changed to highlight the employee's position.